Hello people, and today I am going to be doing a team deathmatch with all weapons. Yeah, all the weapons. So yeah, but yeah, I'm probably gonna do a flag match after this because flag matches are fun. He's up there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's the same guy from the other video. Stuck. Is he on my team? Yes! He's not going to be chatting with me. But he's talking to you. When somebody's talking to you, down. That's good. Let's see. No, that was a fail. That was gonna be a good shot. What team am I?
Ready, go.
Team 2. Wait, what team am I? I'm team 1. We're losing. Come on, people. We gotta step up the pace. People are awesome. That's my role.
Let's go.
Yeah, is the guy who created this a VIP or something? Wait, oh yeah, you're on the team. I'm sorry. I'm used to saying different colors. I'm normally always team 2. Yeah, cool, I guess, but...
Yeah. Headshot.
Why are they having him in here?
Let's go.
That's pretty weird. He was like, oh, give me back, back up.
Assist.
Shoot stuff like he was ahead.
Me down. Down. Down.
And awesome smoking.
Enemy opponent.
Oh, I was waiting for a he fired out a whole clip trying to kill me. Wow. Cole's still flying to the stalker. So cool. Anybody who goes over that shark.
Me down.
Try.
Ready, go.
Did not even try. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Wow, this round is like already full. Better not get picked. That's what happened. The last time I did a team flag match, I got picked. But the team is too awesome.
Down.
I actually enjoy sniping. I've never done that before, literally. I've never just stand and be like, pew, 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 pew. Yeah. Unlike the other videos where I forget that the video is ending and don't pay attention, that won't happen this time. As soon as I see the numbers turn green, I will definitely start part 2. And there will be a part 2 to this. Yes, die!
Me down.
Start it! Oh, there!
Go for Jungle.
Torno is beating me! Start it, I fell. You know that. Ah! You know what? No, never. I'm just gonna go over here and snipe. Like a boss. Hey, I was gonna shoot you. You can't do that. And give me permission. That's pretty weird, dude. Oh, I just saw her. It disappeared. Dude! Die! Stop lagging!
Headshot.
Oh yeah. You stop lagging!
Perfect shot.
Wow, these people are lagging. So I just killed them.
Let's go.
Look, you're lagging! hovering in the air, stop lagging people. Not me that's lagging, it's them. I'm using a really good computer. In fact, the only computer that I can record on is so good. I'm going to snipe from this. Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what that. What do you expect? Okay, let's do this. Shoot you again. And again. And again. And again.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Oh, darn it, that would have been funny. I took them all out with the sniper. That would be pretty funny, right? I think it would be funny. I think it would be funny. See you crouching in the corner. I did it. Darn it! See? Never get your hopes up, or you will fail in life. Is that like a real quote? No. Like, surprise! Get me open, you do white light here. He's going to shoot you. Just like that. Do we have a spawn camper? Nobody likes spawn campers. I recommend you eliminate the spawn camper. I totally agree with you. Well, that helps really good. Unacceptable!
Ready, go!
How are you filming this? What are you doing? Well, it's too late to figure out now. I see a spawn camper. Saw him. You are lagging. I saw you! I was going to shoot you! Are we really losing? Oh no, we're really winning. I thought we were the people that were really losing. I'm like, I feel bad to be my team. But then I remembered something that I knew. Oh, these people lag. You stand in corners while I shoot them, and they shoot me. I think there's some logic involved in that I'm going to ignore. What? Well, yeah. How did you even kill me? I don't lag. There's a bacon step. What the what? Fine. It's time to do what I normally do. What I'm best at. It's called eliminate people that are shooting at you. That's right. Ow! That's it! How are you spawning like that? You didn't even spawn right there. What the heck are you doing? You know, never mind. I'm going back to sniping. Wow, there's a lot. Flying in the air. Like that guy. But who just disappeared. It's not supposed to lag like this. It never really succeeded. Yeah, I was really actually fast for that. Wow, I just died. I wish that guy could have a reloading sniper a little bit faster. As far as I can tell, this is like really slow. I have a level 5 gun, but still. Wait, thank you for really
Go for Jocko.
Out of the perfect sniping location that nobody knows. Corner right here. The sniper of the week. What the what? Okay, no, never mind. I'm not gonna crouch there.
Let's go.
We need a better position. Position that nobody expects. or ever will be.